Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. That was good. Okay, so around 8 months ago I just had £50 saved up and I was like, you know what, let me start a new business. I'm just sort of making a bath bomb business and calling it Billionaire Bath Bombs, and then that doesn't really matter. But then I just thought, let me just buy this kit, and I spent like £50 on that and then stickers and all that shit. And then I realised that it wasn't going to be really successful because first of all the kit is quite shit. Well, what they provided was quite shit, so the whole bath bomb wasn't actually made to how I wanted it, how I imagined it to be, and plus the mold, the bath bomb mold was quite shit. It was small, and like every time I tried taking it out of the mold it broke, so what was the point of that? I just have some parts of it, some of these ingredients remaining, and I've got like all this food colouring, and I've got the different scents like cherry, bubblegum and candy floss. I don't know the rest. I've got different food colouring, not food, well the colourings. So I was like, let's just make a massive bath bomb and just fuck around and just see what we get with it. So let's go. Right, so first we're gonna mix this bicarbonate of soda.
Yeah.
Just add all of it. Okay, acid.
Yeah.
All of that. Add that too. Looks like cement. Hang on, I want you to add just a bit of water, right? Right. Add that much. Quickly add in.
Okay, wait. This is so nice. Yeah.
No, you just all you have to do is squeeze it. Just do it.
Oh, didn't it? Then do.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, you do. You already did this. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks thick, you guys. Comment down below my blue.
Oh shit, it's rising up. Look at it.
Oh, that's
Oh
funny.
shit. What's this? Cherry.
Shit. What's that be?
Not blue.
Tomato, guys.
Look at that colour.
Whoa! That's so. That turned into zombie color.
What the hell is zombie colour?
Zombie. Green
Zombie, not zombie. So the bath bomb is finely made, but it looks like crayon. Looks like crayon and mud and mixture of Hulk skin. So I just thought of an idea. Why don't we just get boiling water and pour it into this bath bomb? Whatever it's
That'd be
called. It's
clever.
not actually a bath bomb, but let's see how it goes. Okay,
And
come on,
it's
let's go. Come on. 5, 4, 3. Oh shit!
Whoa!
Oh shit! Whoa! Oh shit!
You gonna put it in there? Whoa.
Shit! Yo! What was that?
That looks like Coke, guys.
Whoa! Let's go with that.
Yo! This is awesome, guys. Now people.
Whoa!
Oh, it turns backwards. Wait, pass me the food,
Wash your hands with that.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate your support, and just comment down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, we will definitely do more like this because it was quite fun. Action was actually good. It's boiling water, and then it's just quite good. So whatever you guys want to see next, comment down below. And I just hope that this reached a lot of people because I really want to build a community. But if it doesn't, then whatever. I'm still going to be creating videos because that's my goal for this channel. To be consistent and to have fun and to love the process, not the outcome. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. And
Yeah,
if
give
you
us
can
thumbs up
share,
and like.
that'd be an extra bonus. And hopefully later on in the near future when we get hit like 1k subs, we're nowhere near that right now. We're at 14 subscribers because of having fun. And I know the video quality, our video quality will hopefully be recognized and people will see. And then hopefully if we do hit 1k, or maybe before that we'll do a giveaway. Thank you guys for watching, and we are out.
We are out. Like, can I